What do you call a bunny that grew up in a motel? An ingrown hair. Get it? Yolks! Yolks, party people, we got yolks! It's April, a most fertile time of year, and what says fertility more than eggs? Okay, you're right, maybe rabbits do. But eggs are all about new life, and that is why, at the end of April, on this date, I am going to be teaching you how to make a spinach ricotta ravioli with a rich, silky pasta dough, Northern Italian style, with yolk, lots of yolk. And while we assemble our ravioli, we'll talk rebirth. What? Yes. Do you remember that book, that play, that relationship, that business you wanted to create? Did you think it was dead? Wait, I hear a pulse. Clear. Oops. Maybe not. Dust off those fertile dreams at a ravioli party, and maybe a fluffle of ravioli makers can help you resurrect them. It's possible. I wouldn't wait any longer. Click on the link that's nearby. Call your favorite peeps and hop on over to join the Rebirth Ravioli Party, because you never know what we might hatch up. I'll be nicer to your peeps now. I look forward to seeing you at the revival. Ciao.